multiples. Don't let your praise block you. Don't let where you are right now block your praise. Let the word determine your praise. We heard a good word. I receive it. Drop this little nugget to you. Possibly, could the place that you are living now, could that, the reason why you're not comfortable there is because maybe it's your investment property and not your house. Lord, have mercy. God said, I gave you your investment before I gave you what I wanted. I want to see how you handle the investment property before I open up what's really for you. Lord, that might not be for everybody, but somebody's living in their investment property and you need to get ready to move because they got some tenants that need to move in where you're living, right? I gotta quit. You go back home today and say, thank God for my investment property. See, some of y'all say, I don't know where to look for my investment property. Just go home. Your home is your investment property. Tap your neighbor 3 times and say, you're getting ready to move. You're getting ready to move. You're getting ready to move. Oh, my God. I'm not trying to shout you. I'm not trying to shout you. I'm trying to enlighten you. You ever said that I'm living here, but this don't feel like my home? Because you have a blueprint in your spirit about what God originally meant for you. And no matter what you try to paint and wallpaper and change stuff, it ain't gonna match up because it